In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $12,295 in commission with TikTok affiliate marketing using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. And I made this commission just in 22 days, from the first day of September until the day 22. This is my commission, this is my clicks, my CTR, and just last month I made $17,325 in commission, and it's paid, as you can see over here. I received this money in my PayPal account. In this video, I will share with you all my tools, all my methods that I'm using to get commissions from TikTok like this and every single month. So you just need to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? Anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with TikTok affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, okay? Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down like this until you see community and click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So all you have to do is just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you will do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can choose no, and choose your country from here and choose your language. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple, will take just few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. What you will do next, you need to choose a good services that you will promote on Twitter to earn commissions. So I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Twitter. What you will do, you will go back to your homepage on Fiverr, click on the search for TikTok, search for TikTok video editing, search for this one, TikTok video editing. So why I choose this service? So since we are promoting our services on TikTok, we will choose services related to TikTok, okay? So that's why I choose this one. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. They will check if those sellers are good sellers or not. So that's why you need to choose good sellers. This step is very important. So for example, like this one, you guys can see this one is top rated seller. He has 5 star. So what I will do, I will just click on his service like this. Just click on the seller service that you want to use, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. As you can see, you guys can see this seller has a lot of people already paid for this service, as you can see, which is really good. This seller is top rated seller. So what you will do next, you just need to copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. But before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. This seller has a video which is really good. So let me see. You guys can see the seller has a video which is really good. He is explaining how he can help people to edit their TikTok videos, make them more engaging and more professional. So which is really good. So what you will do next is you need to save this video to your laptop. So double click on the video, click on save video like this, and I will name it, for example, I'm gonna name it TikTok. Click on save, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Search for this website. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on custom size and click over here on more. Click on the search for TikTok video. This one, click over here on TikTok video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload, click on upload file, and upload the video about TikTok service that you download from Fiverr. So let me show you. I will click on upload file, and here you go. This is my video. Click on open, and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Click on your video, and your video will be this video like this. Background color, and choose black color. Choose this one. Okay, and here you go. Click on text and click and scroll down. Choose which text style you want to use for your TikTok video. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style and your text will be over here. Put this text here. So let me show you. You just need to wait. Click on your text and put your text here. I will delete the second one, and I will decrease the font size of this text. Double click and write this sentence. Check link in my bio to get TikTok editing service. Okay, check link in my bio to get TikTok video editing service, because we will put our affiliate link in our bio on TikTok. Okay, so I will make it like this and put this sentence here, duplicate, and I will put the same again here, and here you go. So people who will watch this video on TikTok, people who are interested to edit their TikTok videos, they will see this. Check link in my bio to get TikTok editing service. They will check your bio. You will put your affiliate link in your bio. Okay, so after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open your TikTok account. Click on upload this video to your TikTok account, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you guys will not see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your bio. For people who are asking, how can we promote a lot of services with just one TikTok account? It's very simple. What you will do, what you will need is you need to create a website. You need to create a website and put all those services that you want to promote on TikTok in your website, and put the link of your website in your TikTok bio. It's very simple. You guys can go to YouTube and search for how to create a website for affiliate marketing. You can find unlimited videos. They are already there. People already made like those videos explaining how you can make a website for your affiliate links, and that's it. Use this method. You can promote a lot of services using TikTok, because TikTok videos can go viral even if you have 0 followers. You can post a video. If one video go viral and you get a lot of, you get, for example, 1 million of views in this video, you can make a lot of money just with one single video. Okay, you can get a lot of visitors to your website, to your affiliate website, from people who are interested, who will buy those services from you. You can earn a lot of commissions, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, if do I have any affiliate marketing course, yes I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in this description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.